How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated. After updating the app, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down your settings page and here tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps. Now here search the app and here click on clear data. Now click on clear cache. Now press OK. After clearing the app cache, let's go back to app. Now tap here on plus icon. Click on upload. And from gallery select the photos you want. Now tap on next. And here you can see all done. Thanks for watching.